In this video, I'll show you how to create a schedule for your smart switches. Open your home automation app and tap on Devices at the bottom. Select the room where your device is located. Now choose the switch and open its settings. Scroll down and tap on Schedule. Tap the plus icon to create a new schedule. Select the action, turn it on or off, and set the time. You can also choose specific days if you want this to repeat, or keep it as a one-time schedule. Finally, tap Create Schedule. And that's it. Your automation is now set. Thanks for watching.